So today I stand before you as the luckiest guy in the world because I get to marry the love of my life. To my beautiful bride, words cannot fully express the love I have for you. You are my rock, my best friend, and I love the person that you are. I promise to always be there for you just as you have always been there for me. From the first moment I saw you, I knew that there was something special about you. Your smile, laughter, and heart all had me in the palm of your hand. As we start this new chapter in our lives as husband and wife, I would like to make a few promises. So, Nikki, I promise to love you unconditionally, to cherish every moment we share, and to support you in all your dreams. I promise to always cheer you on in life and make you smile. And we will navigate through life's ups and downs hand in hand and continue to build a love from the ground up.
To me now.